welcome or welcome back.
I want to jump on here to show you a little gift that I am putting together for a very dear friend of mine, Grace. She has been in my life for a while now. We went to cosmetology school together. It was like about 14 years ago, and we have maintained a very close friendship ever since. And she is starting a new journey with her family. They are moving out of state. She is actually the person who does my hair, so I am gonna see her one last time before she makes her move, and I wanted to put together a little gift for her. So I just wanted to show you guys what I did. It's really small, something that her and her kids can enjoy, and it's a Blue Without You gift box, which are all edible candies and snacks. I figure they can eat all of those goodies on the airplane. So I'm gonna show you what I put inside and how I put it together. The theme is Blue Without You. So in this box, I found a bunch of blue snacks and candies. I'm gonna make it look a little more pretty, but just to show you, this is Hawaii's best Hawaiian kulolo mix that she can bring up with her and make hurricane popcorn. We got some Airheads. She has 3 girls, so I'm sure they will all enjoy all these candies and snacks. Anything blue I bought off the candy shelf. So sorry, make sure you brush your teeth. Giselle, Casely, and Lucy, if you're watching this. And so all the blue candy and snacks will go in this box. I got some blue tissue paper, some iridescent cellophane, and a blue ribbon.